afternoon everyone, naimbag nga malamking nyayo, Ilocano. Magandang hapon sa inyo, Tagalog. And it's time for Ilocano WOTD, so let's have our word. Our Ilocano WOTD is Naluom. 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 Ripe. In Tagalog, that would be hinog. Let's have an example together with the English adverb already. And in Ilocano, that is en. En. It is attached at the end of Ilocano verbs and adjectives. And our Ilocano WOTD, naluom, is an adjective. So, let's have our example. For Tagalog speakers, in Tagalog, that would be na. Something is already naluom or ripe here in the garden. Look at these tomatoes. They are already ripe. So, let's say that in Ilocano, naluom means ripe or in Tagalog, hinog. So, to say that they are already ripe or hinog, again, in Ilocano, that would be en, Tagalog na. Let's attach that at the end of our Ilocano adjective. Naluom, naluuman, 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 man, man. I know it's kind of hard with the pronunciation. Naluuman, naluuman dagitoy kamatis, naluuman dagitoy kamatis. These tomatoes are already ripe. Tagalog, hinog na itong mga kamatis. I can't find anything else that is ripe for another example. So that's all for our Ilocano WOTD. Naluom, naluom.